Chams PLC says they have put plans in place to ensure sustainable growth in their business. The company's founding managing director, Demola Aladekomo, joins me now from the floor of the Nigerian Stock Exchange to discuss the future of the business. Thank you so much, Mr. Aladekomo, for speaking to us today. Of course, you have recently been in the press discussing the big disappointment in terms of the deal that Chams had with the government, the NIMC, with respect to the National ID Card project. So the big question is, what happens next for your business? And you're saying that investors should continue to expect growth. Where is that growth going to come from? Mr. Aladekomo, can you hear me?
Increase the volume, please.
Okay, can you hear me now? Okay, clearly. Okay, hopefully we can get through this. All right. My question to you is, where is the growth in Chams coming from, given the big setback you had with the deal relating to the ID card project?
All right, it was a major setback. We lost quite a lot of money, about 9.2 billion naira. By 2010, we lost that money. The major effect of it was actually shown in our 2011 results. But by 2012, we survived that calamity, and to us, 9.2 billion naira was a calamity. But by 2012, we were able to declare profit using other solutions and other projects that we are involved in. 2013, similarly, we declared additional profits better than what we did in 2012. And in 2014, we also repeated the same feat, did better than we did in 2013. By 2014, we were able to declare not just profit, but also dividends to our shareholders. We believe that we're going to also do better dividends in 2015 for our shareholders.
Yes, but where is the growth going to come from? What exactly are you going to be doing that will be driving growth going forward? Okay.
In the previous years, before 2012, our focus was more on the public sector and also a lot of contracting. Last year, we completely changed our strategy, which we started experimenting with in 2012, to one that addresses the mass market and also the private sector. Now, we no longer look at contracts, we look at solutions, and solutions that we developed to meet specific IT needs in our country. You take one of them called Confirming. How do you get your transcript as a student from your university? How do you check your credit results? How do you know if you are credit worthy? How do you know if your driver's license is valid? How will an American embassy know if you're a true and proper Nigerian? We also have projects and products like the membership project. We have e-governance solutions that addresses citizens. We have projects as interesting as what you call e-marriage, all targeted to the mass market.
Okay, everyone has been talking about the implications of the government's slow pace in terms of policy direction. How is that impacting your business?
It's terribly impacted us, and you will see it in our, you saw it in our results, as I said, in 2011 and 12. Policy somersaulting has been one that has been really, really detrimental to us. One was when central bank somersaulted on the IED, independent deployer, independent ATM deployer policy. The other one was when government changed a concession, a PPP arrangement, into contracting, and that's the National ID Card project. Our shareholders lost about 9.2 billion of that.
Right. Okay.
That was a massive loss for our shareholders. So government somersaulting on their policies, changing of directions, not being able to uphold rule of law, is pretty bad for business.
All right. Demola, thank you so much for speaking to us. Demola Aladekomo, founding managing director at Chams.